Good morning, Jai Shri Krishna. We'll start in few seconds. Jai Shri Krishna. Good morning. Let's start. So close the eyes, hands in Dhyan Mudra, back straight, relax shoulders. We will chant three long Omkars. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep the eyes closed, join hands at back of the body, bow down to the Mother Supreme Earth. Raise both hands up over the body toward the ceiling. Inhale, come back up. Rub the palms against each other. Make them warm. Generate Urja. Let warm hands all over the face and eyes. Open and close eyes few times in dark. Spread the fingers apart, slowly slide the hands down over the face, gently open the eyes. And let's start with some warm-up, light exercise. Let's bring both the hands onto the knees. Keep the back straight. We will do 360-degree rotation at the waist. Deep inhale. As we dip, exhale, bend forward and down. Try to bend from the lower back. As we inhale, turn the upper body towards one side in circular fashion, coming back up. Going towards the second side, exhale, bend down. Try to make the full rotation and turn the head into the direction of the rotation. The elbows, alternatively, one will be fully folded, one will be fully straight to ensure that we are circling at our maximum. Complete about 4 circles in one direction, then 4 circles in reverse. Do with deep breath in, deep breath out. Okay, once you're done, then relax, breathe in and out normal, feel the body internally. You can close the eyes for a few seconds and keep awareness at the lower back and waist area. See if you still have any sensations there. Okay, next, we'll inhale, raise both hands up, stretch the whole body upward. Exhale, twist the upper body to the one side. Look back, align chin with the shoulder, keep pushing the knee forward. We need to try it so we can feel some good stretches at the lower back and waist area. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the second side. Try to keep trunk vertical, back straight. We can use the palm at the back to support the upper body. Feel the full twist. Inhale, back to center. One more time. both the sides. Try to stay in pose for at least about 7 counts. 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, come back and complete onto the second side. Okay, inhale, come back, and let's stand up. Separate feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Extend both hands sideways. Deep inhale. As we exhale, bend towards one side. One hand go up in the ceiling. One go towards the floor. Keep looking through the palm which is up. Inhale. Slowly come back to center. Exhale to the second side. Inhale, come back. We'll do one more time. So make sure the arm which is up, the trunk and the other leg, they all will be in one line. Inhale, come back and complete onto the second side. Come back. Separate the feet at the farthest. Again, inhale, both hands sideways. As we exhale, grab the one big toe with the other, the opposite side hand. Other hand will go 90 degree up. Look up into the ceiling through the palm. Inhale, come back into start position. Exhale onto the second side. Inhale, come back up. We'll do one more time. Keep awareness at the lower back. Exhale, bend down. Come back and complete onto the second side. And come back. Bring both hands at the back, thumbs on the sacrum. Deep inhale as we arch backward. Look into the back wall. You can push the thumbs in. Exhale, come back up, straighten the trunk. Inhale again. As we exhale, bend forward and down. Let's push our trunk as low as possible, keeping the knees straight. Inhale, come back up. And let's move in front of the mat. We'll put the music, mantra. Let's follow the beats. We'll do alternate. First 2 will be double mantras, a little bit relaxed Surya Namaskars for the warm-up. And then 20 will be normal. Roll the shoulders back and down. And let's begin.
मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः।
ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः।
Jai Shri Krishna. Good morning. Let's shake up the feet, hands, thighs, legs. And lay down. Full relax, complete rest. Close the eyes, deep inhale, deep exhale few times. Then let the breath become natural, normal. Feel how the body weight is transferring to the floor. Scan the body internally. Moving the awareness body part by body part from head to toes, toes to the head. At each body part, try to feel whatever happening there. Relaxation, sensation, heartbeat, pulse, blood circulation, anything, everything for 3 full minutes. And timer starts now. last 10 seconds to bring awareness back to the head area if you haven't yet already. Bring feet together, wiggle the toes, move them onto side by side. Few times squeeze and release them, while turn the head also onto both the sides couple of times. And give body a big stretch. Just take some stick pose. Push all the toes together forward and all the fingers into opposite direction. Full stretch, 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 and relax. Now bring both hands sideways, palms facing down. Fold at the knees, heels at the hips. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Drop both the knees together on the floor towards left. Turn the head towards right. Push the palms in the floor and feel some good stretches. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the other side. Both knees on the floor towards right, head towards left. Inhale back to center. We can lift our feet a little bit up and then do the same thing again. Exhale, drop both the folded legs together on the floor towards left, head towards right. Inhale, come back, keeping the feet up off the floor and going towards other side. Both folded leg towards right on the floor, head towards left for a few seconds, and bring the whole upper body towards right. Stay on right for 2 more breaths in and out. And while keeping the eyes closed, gently bring the body into any comfortable sitting posture. We will do 3 Bhramari Pranayam on hands over the face, blocking the nostrils with ring fingers. Middle fingers will go over the eyes. First fingers, index fingers will go over the forehead. We will do 3 times. And relax both the hands. Bring them into Dhyan Mudra. Keep the back straight, relax shoulders. Deep inhale, we will chant 1 long Omkar. Feel the vibrations. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub the palms against each other. Generate Ujja, make them warm. Place the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Move the palms over the eyes, gently massage the eyelids. Open and close eyes few times in dark. Spread the fingers apart. Slide the hands down over the face. Open the eyes. Rub the palms one more time. Place them on top of the head, back of the head, neck, shoulders, arms, trunk, legs, back, throughout the body to spread the energy within. Good morning. Hari Om Tat Sat. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Happy Thursday. बृहस्पतिवार का दिन शुभ मंगल हो.